we are again, John.
Oh, it's a raining mana. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Dalaran floats overhead. It's soaking your deck with mana. That sounds like someone needs to get a ShamWow.
Yes.
Oops, I forgot to challenge you. I was going into the battle and forgot to challenge you. It's a good thing I
ready
remembered.
to go.
Yeah, hit cancel.
That's
I did that last week too, didn't I?
You did.
What class did you pick?
I picked Paladin.
Ooh.
I knew you were gonna. I was almost gonna pick Mage, and then I was like, nah, Dom's gonna be Mage. It's Dom. That's what he does.
I love the Mage class, which is ironic because I play Rogue in Warcraft.
Yeah, so just the polar goddamn opposite.
Yeah, pretty much.
So we're gonna start with 1 mana, and then we get 3 mana. This should be fun. Someone went aggressive on me.
Oh.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Are you?
No.
I am.
Paladin's like my favorite class. How could I ever be nervous?
Up until this last card that I just drew, everything in my hand was golden.
Oh, how fancy. Well, eat some mustard.
I don't want mustard.
Mustard for battle indeed, sir. No, you hurt him. Oh well. This is still okay, I guess.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's alright. It turns out that going from, 1 turn at 3 mana to 1 turn at 5 mana is okay for Paladins in this combo.
Yeah, just slightly.
Slightly okay. I had that evil, dickish, devilish grin when I was making the deck, I just want you to know.
Oh. Well, I didn't.
Okay.
Put this apple on your head.
In fact, I don't even think this is gonna work.
Well, we'll see.
It's gonna suck if I flame strike in my hand.
Reporting for duty.
I don't even care. You can flame strike it. I'll draw a card from the Spirit Walker, so...
What if I silence him first?
I mean, you could do that.
Why would I be running a silence in this deck?
I don't know, I figured people might be doing scummy buff stuff, like, throwing, like, Felon's Chosen on a turn 1 minion.
Yeah.
That could happen.
Good.
No, my Spirit Walker. Oh, God.
Yeah, this is not gonna work. Not gonna work at all. It may have worked, but it definitely didn't now. No, I'm done.
Reporting for duty.
Well, let's... What do you got?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. I got this.
Okay.
That made that.
Excellent. She's not a morning person, but that's okay.
Then I got, I got that.
Cool.
Doesn't really help me at all.
And then, Coin Blizzard. Yay! Well, thank you for the boar. I think it's only right that he finishes here.
Oh, this is not working at all. I regret making this.
I'm sorry. So, ready for round 2?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready as I'm gonna be.
We are doing a best of 3, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Mentally preparing. Yep, I'm doing that all right.
Nadir versus Uther. I will fight with honor.
Ooh.
Let the games begin.
Okay.
Oh my.
This one might go a little differently.
Okay. Let's see. I just mulliganed you. I didn't. Alright, fine. Fine. I guess I wanted it.
It's funny. That turn 1 play keeps coming up.
Yeah, really. Well, I have a slightly different turn 3. Well, 3 mana play.
I don't like that guy, so I'm gonna get rid of him.
You monster.
Yeah.
Alright, well, maybe you'll like him better.
No.
No?
Yeah.
Figured it was worth a shot. Up and fireball. Ladies and gentlemen, the bullet.
It has been dodged.
Well.
Welcome to the grand tournament,
Well, that's unfortunate.
champion.
Yeah, you get 2 dudes. Is that nice?
You require my assistance.
Oh. Uh-oh. The Archmage cometh. Oh, Ice Lance. Very, very clever.
Mm-hmm.
I approve.
What do you got for me this turn?
Nothing really,
Ooh.
except for that.
Oh. That's something.
Yeah. Ah! Thank you, Nefarian.
What
You are
did
truly
Nefarian
too kind. Nothing. He just gave me some presents.
Oh.
He said they're from you, so I'm assuming you wanted me to have these. Man, you have a lot of fireballs, huh?
I certainly do.
Yeah.
Certainly do.
Yeah. This may not end well for me.
No, that was my plan all along.
For it not to end well for me.
Yeah,
That's a pretty good plan,
I like it.
I have to say.
I wonder.
Let's do some math. Yeah, this will work. I guess.
Oh,
I'm probably dead,
nice,
but yeah, I'm probably dead anyway. But I mean, whatever. See what happens.
Well,
'Cause
just
you have
so
like
you know, I'm holding 4 fireballs.
I know. I know. I did the math.
Okay.
I think I'm just dead.
Probably.
Let's see what happens. I might not be. Oh! Well, now I'm dead.
Yeah, Ronin just seemed like a good fit.
Can't blame me for that.
I don't know.
Well,
I'll give you a chance on this one.
no.
Yeah,
Don't do that.
here you go. Here's your chance. Ah, you live one more turn. That's probably
Really?
gonna come back to bite me in the ass now.
Uh,
Double heal bot.
No, I don't know feel about in this deck.
Put this apple on your head.
There's something really funny though.
Reporting.
Double.
If I wasn't at 1, this would be rad.
Reporting.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the war leader.
Ooh.
That was close.
Was.
Alright, so we're 1 and 1.
1 and 1. Yeah, but now you know my entire strategy, so.
Yeah, get Archmage. Why would that not be the strategy?
There's only 3 minions in this deck.
And
You've seen all 3 of them.
I've jousted into the wrong one.
Well, just so you know now, your joust is not that effective, because there's only 3 minions.
Let the
Yeah,
Archmage,
so-
7 mana. Ronin,
And
8 mana. And the Leper Gnome, 1 mana. So,
a single leper gnome.
one single Leper Gnome. That is correct. And I happen to have drawn him both games on the first turn. Unfortunately, that does not seem to be the case for this turn. Unless he comes in
No,
now.
it's not.
No.
Okay. Well, alright then. Oh yeah, I don't have any 1-drops in this deck.
Oh, there's the Leper Gnome.
Oh, thank God. Thank God for
That just
that.
means now that your joust is going to fail.
It might. Look, man, I got some pretty heavy stuff in this deck.
Oh, I can tell.
I ain't your normal paladin, as you saw from the Therian. You monster, you killed it. Really?
Are you kidding me?
Wow. Damn, Murloc Knight.
You got lucky.
No, I didn't. That was all Murloc dodging skills, man.
You got
You know
lucky.
it. No. It's pure skill.
Put this apple on your head.
Show him what he won, Jim.
Ow.
What?
Are you
Yes.
fucking kidding me right now?
Yes! Yes! Where's your flame strike?
I had to waste a fireball on that.
Yes, you did. Oh, that is actually really funny.
That was awful.
Yep. Yep. I don't know. What do I want to do this turn?
Reporting for duty.
Good job, Juggler. You done it.
That juggler is the worst.
He's like a sniping machine. Okay, you kind of lied. You do have 2 unstable portals, so that technically is 2 more creatures.
No.
I mean, kind of.
No.
A little bit. Oh, the flame lance. I get the feeling you don't like him.
No, I don't like him at all.
I
Why
get
do
that
why do you get that feeling?
I don't know. It's just a thought I had.
Welcome to the grand
I don't like that one
tournament,
either.
champion.
Well, I wanted him to get 2 more knives in before
He dies.
he dies inevitably.
Ow.
I almost didn't put Knife Juggler in this deck. I was like, wait a minute, stupid. What are you thinking? You have to put Knife Juggler in the deck. And rip.
I wish I unstable portaled into a Dreadsteed.
I'm really sorry about this.
To arms, men!
It's lethal, isn't it?
No. Yes.
I had Acid Maw in my hand, by the way.
That's
Just didn't have a good
well, at least
opportunity
he
to
busted
play.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Damn it, John.
you're welcome. So now you can think
Why?
about this on your way.
Why do I even bother?
You won last week.
Yeah. But my overall win-loss ratio has been horrendous.
Yes, I mean that is true, but hey, it's the nature of the beast.
I will get my revenge when Super Mario Maker comes out. We're gonna have to start a new versus series.
I agree. I think we're gonna have to try to make the worst levels in the world for each other to complete.
Yeah, and see how long it takes, how many attempts, straight through, no editing. If it takes you 26 hours to beat, that's what it takes.
That's it. That's the video.
Yep.
Oh, I cannot wait.